Okay, all you JK owners that have these grab handles, you can see that and the barrel nuts up there. So I had a really annoying groaning metal on metal sound every time my Jeep flexes, and it's showing up in my videos. If you listen to my earlier videos, it's really bad. So I took off the barrel nut on the top and put a piece of tape on it and cut a hole where the bolt goes through, and I believe I fixed this side because I just did a test drive and flexed it with no sound, but that side over there is still doing it. So I'm going to do it on that side and do another test, flexing the front end at the end of my driveway and see if it goes away. And if it does, then you guys will see this in case anybody else has that same annoying groaning sound, and you'll know how easy of a fix it is. So stay tuned and I will continue on and see if this works. Okay, on this side there was a little bit, but it was in the lower one, and I unscrewed it, and if you look back in the hole, there's a couple thin pieces of metal overlaying each other, and the only thing I can assume is they were rubbing on top of each other. So I took a Q-tip with some grease in there and tried to swab it in there, but it wasn't getting in. So I sprayed a little bit of WD-40 and kind of soaked the metal. Don't know how long that'll last, but I did a test and the groaning is gone, metal on metal. So I still taped the upper barrel nut just in case after I took the visor off. So we'll try that and see how long it lasts. But that was the fix. Hope this helps anybody who else has to deal with that constant annoying A-pillar groaning with these grab handles screwed into the A-pillars. So there you go.